everybody. I am starting on this end because I'm painting over this today. It's okay. I've kept it around for a long time because I liked it, and then I'm like, meh. And it's just, well, it's what I always say when I paint over something. It's just not doing it. I'm not feeling it. So I'm painting over this one today. I want to show you, this is from the last video. It's still a little wet. Look at the little dude. He's still screaming and he's waving his like wavy arms. I absolutely love this. I think the colors are so phenomenal. And this was the one on the Arteza canvas. And it dried just fine. Yes, that's light there, but that would be the same on any canvas. And that is probably where there was silicone. That is where there was silicone. So what I'd probably do is just kind of dip my finger in some blue and just touch it up right there. But I absolutely love these colors. I really actually like this. There's no negative space, but I find it really fun to look at. All right, so, and then this is from the video right before that. It's still, you can see in the shine, it's still a tad bit wet. I absolutely love it. I kept saying, it's not done, something's not right. I added those flingies to it, and it all clicked into place. I love it. So now let's get on up here. Still waiting on my Arteza paints, and by the time this is shown, I will probably have them already. A little closer. I think I just got you closer and then got you not closer. I just mixed up some new colors and some white. So, as always, when I do a new batch, I never really know how the consistency will be because I don't measure. I'm going to use, this is a mix of metallic yellow and fluorescent red. I've got Soho brand permanent red, yellow. I might use, it's Payne's gray, and Artist Love turquoise. Yeah, I just mixed this, but it tends to separate right after I mix it, and then after that day it stays together. Shake it, just get lots of air bubbles in there. Kidding, you don't want the air bubbles. That's what the torch is for. Start at this end because this side had the most color. So I'm still liking the silicone matte. I've been wiping it clean if it's not dry. It would almost be nice. Like I'm thinking, ideally I wonder if I needed another one, because then this one I could pick up, set aside, and have a dry one. So then, because it's real easy to pick the paint off. I mean, it's not hard to wipe it off either, but I do like it. I like that I'm not wasting paper every time. All right, Alright, so this is going to be a slice and swipe. If you've not seen one of these, I've got a playlist with some. It is a tricky technique that quite honestly only turns out a portion of the time. But when it does turn out, it's way, way, way cool. But yeah, as I said, it doesn't always. I have trouble with it. But so you know, but I'm giving it a shot because I love it when they do turn out. So I'm gonna do it a little differently. I'm gonna try it maybe color by color instead. So I've got pipette. I was like, what's the word? Pipette. These are on my Amazon list. A bunch of other stuff are as well. I couldn't get that out. That link is in the video description. Since there is yellow already in this other one, I'm just using the same pipette. I was trying to decide if I wanted something flexible or not. I'm going to start with this. I may switch to cardboard depending. So it's just slicing and you're kind of swiping, which is why I called it that. But sometimes I end up with too much paint on the canvas and then I tilt it and then it ends up looking like crud. Because you end up with these indents. And so I was tilting to kind of fix those up, but see? These are some fairly delicate lines. What I'm going to, hang on. So I'm just going to clean the pipette. Some water. Red. This. Right. Clean out that pipette again. Of course, that water is now. Now let's do the turquoise. is going. Squeezing out the pipette again and thinking needs more yellow. Maybe it's time to get a new pipette because that was kind of muddy. Dipping this into the white. There we go. I'm taking this much slower than I have in the past. And go figure, it's making it easier. Taking my time, what a novel concept. A new pipette with more of that orangey color. Actually going to call it done. Just fixing up. I mean, normally I keep working, but I think if I keep working it, it's going to be too much, too busy. Touching up some sides. You can see some of the blue from the pour in the first one. Ah, that just made it worse. I'm going to drizzle this down the side. Also, as I'm turning it, seeing which way I like this best. I'm not sure. I guess this is the last way. probably like that. I don't like what's going on here. So that's the base. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.